In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make the clock bigger on your iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro lock screen. A larger clock makes it much easier to read the time at a glance and gives your lock screen a cleaner, more modern look. Now, before we get started, if you're new to the channel, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button because it helps me out a lot. All right, let's jump right into it. You can do this from anywhere on your iPhone 17, but I'm currently on my home screen. You need to swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification center. You'll see your clock widget and all your notifications displayed here. Now, long press with your finger anywhere on the empty space of your lock screen. You're going to see a little Customize button at the bottom of your screen, so go ahead and tap on that. This is going to open up your lock screen editor, which lets you make different adjustments. On the iPhone 17 and 17 Pro, you'll notice there's a little handle at the bottom right corner of the clock box. Now, this handle is only available with the first clock font option, so if you're using a different font style, you won't see this handle. You need to be using that first default clock font to access this feature. Just long press on that handle and drag it down towards the bottom of your screen. As you drag it, your clock is going to get bigger and bigger. You can drag this about halfway down the screen, and your clock will become really large, almost taking up a good portion of your lock screen. The last thing you'll want to do is pick a color for your new bigger clock and maybe select a wallpaper that matches the style. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap on Done at the top right to save all your changes. And that's basically it. That's how you make your clock bigger on the iPhone 17 and 17 Pro lock screen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.